good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. This is what's happening today. My house has been overflown with a massive amount of toys, girl toys specifically, and it's time we do something about this. It's gotten out of hand. I really try to dedicate this loft area for all the toys here, but it's not happening. There are toys in every single room of this house. So we need to do something about that. So my strategy is everyone get all of the toys. We're working on girl toys now. Put it all in a huge pile, and we're going to go through it today, and we're gonna like tally, like we're gonna take a vote, like who loves this toy, raise your hand, and we're gonna take a vote and we're gonna figure things out. Of course, kids have certain things that are special, mementos, you know, of course they're gonna keep that kind of stuff, but I'm really wanting to clear a lot of this out because there's too much and there's too many like parts that don't go together, and we just really need to do this. I try to do this every 6 months. I probably should do it more, but it is what it is. The rooms are getting really cluttery. I just want to declutter them a little bit and make room. Yeah. Welcome to today's vlog. It's not a cleaning video. Don't worry, not doing that today. I just want to talk to you guys and say hey and let you know what we're doing. I have 2 kids here. What is going on over here? Do we have a sick child?
Yep.
Oh, what kind of sickness do you have, ma'am?
I'm attending.
Do you have the virus?
No.
Okay, I hope not.
I'm attending.
Okay, I'm just not gonna get started on this yet because I can't. I'm gonna go see what these kids are doing down here real quick before I sit down and talk to you guys. What's up, guys?
Oh,
hey.
I'll help you.
Hi.
Camera.
Hi.
Hi.
Where are you?
Hello, Mr. Ace.
Hello.
Mr. Ace. Dun, 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 dun.
Where are you?
Ace is playing Roblox. It took him a while to finish his work today. He finally did. So he's playing Roblox. Lily needs to brush her hair, but it's okay. You're still beautiful. Nevaeh is chilling, watching My Little Ponies on her laptop. Like I said, we're taking a break and we're just letting them have some screen time because I need to get some stuff done. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The kids finished homeschooling an hour and a half ago. It ran a little bit late. I wanted to do like an incentive for them for getting their work done. So today we actually ordered a dozen donuts from Krispy Kreme. We popped in the car, we went and picked that up. We got those like lemon glazed ones. I don't know if you guys have those in your area. They're okay. I just prefer the regular glazed ones. You want to tell them something? Sure.
If you eat the lemon glaze with chocolate milk, it tastes like a chocolate donut.
Ooh, that sounds actually really good. I'm gonna have to try that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go upstairs and talk to the vlog for a couple of minutes.
Don't show them the pile, the big pile.
I already showed them the pile. So, yeah. I'm gonna go talk to them for a couple minutes. So you guys just chill, have a little downtime, and I'll be back in a minute, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Which barrier?
Okay. This would be a good place, yeah. All right, is that a good spot? All right, I think that will do. So ever since I announced that there are gonna be some changes in our family and such, I have had a flood of messages, emails, Instagrams, comments on my channel on the recent video, you know, asking if I was pregnant. And no, I'm not pregnant. No, I am definitely not pregnant, and I don't want to mislead you guys and string you along, making you think that I was pregnant, because I'm not. I'm not like, But we do have a big change, and the reason why I am not pregnant or trying to get pregnant at this moment is because of this big change. It is taking up a lot of my time. It is taking up, it is preventing me from having the desire to get pregnant at this moment, to be honest with you. There's a lot of preparation for it. So that is pretty much consuming me when I'm not homeschooling or doing laundry or doing vlogs and things like that. This new change has definitely been consuming me, and it's just adding to the extra stuff that's going on in my life right now. But I definitely want to clear up anything. If there was, you know, anyone that thought that I was pregnant, I'm definitely not pregnant. I don't want to lead you guys to believe in something that's not happening. Like, that's not what I'm about. So I definitely wanted to clear that up. That being said, a lot of people have asked us if we do plan on having a natural child or natural children, and Ed and I are still undecided. At this moment in time, it's not a good time with the changes and things that are going to be coming up for our family, but you know, I don't know, it's not completely off the board. It's just at the specific time, it's not something that we plan on doing at this very moment. So I am very excited to be sharing the news with you guys soon. We are waiting for one more confirmation just to fully make sure before we announce it. But I'm really excited for our family. I'm excited for you guys, you'll see. And I'm just excited in general, and I love changes. I think I've talked about changes before on my channel. I think I did a car chat like 3 or 4 months ago about how much I like thrive off changes, and every time I've made a change in my life or created something or built something, like better things came and more doors opened for us. So I'm really excited for the change. Okay, so you're not going to be waiting too much longer. I'm just waiting for one last confirmation, and as soon as I get it, I'm going to pop on here and film a video for you guys to announce it. Hopefully soon, hopefully this week. I'm pretty sure it's going to be this week, but my main focus was just to come on here and tell you guys, no, I'm not pregnant. That would be kind of cool, huh? Maybe in the future, but not at the moment. And a lot of people are like, oh, just have a natural child. Don't you want your own? Things like that. I don't think of my children as not my own. I love them and think of them like I birthed them. Like, I will lick their faces. I love those kids so much. They're my babies. So bringing a natural child into the picture is a very big decision that we do not take lightly. We think about how they're going to be treated in comparison. We think about how family is going to react. We think about how the kids are going to react. We, you know, consider the ages and the birth order and all that stuff. And it's a lot of things to think about. I think that we would be okay, and you know, with our circle of friends and our family dynamic and, you know, us as parents and things, we would be perfectly okay if we had a natural child. I mean, you know, when that happens, situations may arise that we have no control over or we didn't know about. That's just life. But yeah, hopefully that is something that might happen in the future, and you guys will definitely be there along the way, sharing in the journey for sure. Now that I have cleared that up, thank you for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. I'm just gonna make this a quick one and get it out just so I can kind of clear the air going forward. I'm really excited to share the news with you guys, and I will see you in the next one. If you're not following us on Instagram, go ahead and follow us because we post daily, and it's more like stories, like real and raw, like what's going on in the moment in the day. So if you're interested in seeing a little bit more about our family dynamic, that is definitely the place to go. It's the same as the name here, Christy Gior on Instagram. Follow me there. Thanks guys, bye.